Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can generate images in MidJourney. So let's go to the browser. Right here, MidJourney. Then click on this first link, MidJourney. After clicking on this, you will find here sign in option. Just go to sign in if you don't have any account. So after sign in, you must have a Discord account to if you want to use MidJourney, because it's linked to Discord. So if you don't have any Discord account, you must open a Discord account first, then you have to use MidJourney. Okay, so here's my Discord account, and after clicking on this, you have to click go to authorize. Okay, so just click on this, join the Discord to start creating. Accept invite. Prove that you're a human. Oh, sorry. Containing a food, all things food here. Oh, again I need to prove. They think I'm a bot. Animal. Okay, here I can see the MidJourney account. Now if you want to use this MidJourney and generate images, you have to go here, then just scroll down and you will find newbies channels. Just choose one of these newbies channels. Here you find people are generating images. Just how you can generate, I'm going to show you now. You can see a message slash imagine, and you can see the prompt. Just click on this and write what you want to generate, like a cow eating grass beside a river. If you like this, then just click on enter and it will generate images. Okay, you can see here subscription is required. Okay, so you have to subscribe first or try again tomorrow. So you just click on this prompt and you will find the result like this. They are subscriber, that's why. But if you subscribe this, then you can see your result or the images. Or if you try again tomorrow, it may happen to you by luck. So guys, this is how you can make or generate an image, AI generated image in MidJourney. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.